During the 1930s Dust Bowl, so much static electricity built up between the ground and airborne dust that blue flames leaped from barbed wire fences. People shaking hands could literally spark each other to the ground. Friction between the ground and blowing dust created massive static electricity. When this charged air passed metal fence wires, blue flames erupted from the metallic surfaces. It looked like the fences themselves were on fire. The static electricity was so powerful it shorted out car engines and radios, forcing motorists to drag chains from their automobiles to ground the vehicles. People had to literally drag metal chains just to drive safely. On Black Sunday alone, enough static electricity was produced to power New York City. That single dust storm generated more electrical energy than an entire metropolis needed. The sheer scale was unimaginable. And here's what makes this even crazier. Well-wishers shaking hands could generate a spark so powerful it could knock them to the ground. A simple handshake became a weapon. Which fact shocked you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more mind-blowing facts. Visit Sikho.ai.